Little man throwing a fit. Are you getting mad? He still has the hiccups. Are you getting mad at those hiccups? Are you getting mad at those hiccups? He is just kicking away in there. We love that noise. It's our favorite. Yes, it is. What? Aww. Darn those hiccups. Darn those hiccups.
Give him a little bit of water.